The next one, we have a term called intrapreneur, entrepreneur and entrepreneur. So this entrepreneur was a term, is it was coined in US in 1970s, when suddenly what happened when the series, when officials working in the topmost position of all companies started resigning, and they were starting their own firms. So these people who were already working for somebody then resign from there, and with the technical knowledge they have, they start their own little startups. So those people were called as entrepreneur. So talented persons in corporate, mainly in top positions where they have huge amount of technical talent, they leave their job, and without even thinking of what is the future, they start their own business unit. So those people are called as entrepreneur. So entrepreneur is a person who is venturing into the business without working anywhere. He's just coming into the business after doing some ground survey. But entrepreneur are people who have huge amount of experience and technical stuff. They have been in top positions in leading companies, and because of some petty politics or because of their urge to start their own business, they leave their high profile job and they will start their own business without even thinking of it serious or adverse effect. So those people are called as entrepreneurs. Why are entrepreneurs formed? So what is the reason for having entrepreneurs? Okay, the reason for having entrepreneurs is, the reason is given some of the company where they are working, the management is not receptive to new ideas. So when they say something new and innovative, when they say something which is protective to the company, the management will not obey that. They will not immediately respond, or they will not respond at all to the new ideas. That is the reason, being fed up, they resign their jobs and they start their own enterprise. So that is one reason why entrepreneurs are formed. Management are not receptive to the new ideas. The ideas may be technically very good, technically sound, may even be make their product very productive, may make their company very productive, may result in huge amount of profit, but yet the management will not even give thoughts to implementing their idea. So that is one reason when entrepreneurs are born. Second one, management did not give their ideas a try. Okay, at least some management will hear the ideas and they will not give a try. The first one is not hearing the idea at all. Second one is hearing and not giving a try. So when you hear and not give a try, that does not make sense, right? So only when you implement some ideas and see which are productive or not, definitely you will come to a conclusion whether it is good or bad. So they will not even try to implement it. Talented persons having desire to implement or practice their ideas. So there are very good talented people inside the companies. They want to implement or practice their ideas. They want to practice it individually, because having told it to management, they are not doing any. They are not even willing to accept the idea, or they are not even willing to experiment with that. So those people, what they will do, they will individually try to implement or practice their ideas. So that is the three main reasons why entrepreneurs are born. Remedy. So what is the remedy to ensure attrition? See, you have a term called attrition rate. Attrition rate is people, the percentage of people leaving the company due to various reasons. So when they studied, or what could be the possible remedy for stopping the formation of entrepreneurs, the company should select certain employees status within the company similar to that of an entrepreneur. So once you find that some employees have innovative ideas, you make them entrepreneurs and try with them, try to implement that idea. So instead of not hearing them or not implementing their idea as a whole, you will form an entrepreneur from that person. You give him the status of an entrepreneur and make him implement this idea to see whether it is working or not. Very few companies do this because they will cite financial constraints as their result for not implementing